Derek, thanks so much for taking the time to share a few insights as co-founder of 56k.Cloud. And could you tell us in like a few words what 56k.Cloud does? As I understand, Switzerland's second largest reseller of AWS in Switzerland.
So we, 56k.Cloud, we're one of the partners of AWS in Switzerland, and we're very proud of that. And what we do is we provide basically DevOps as a service in a sense. So we help customers, take their infrastructure that's either in another cloud provider or on-prem, and actually bring that to the, building on cloud, enabling on cloud, and building their business on top of cloud. Not just lift and shift, but actually really expanding that customer's offering with the native services and offerings on the hyperscalers that provide. And we span, quite some verticals there. But that's simply because we're kind of super critically focused on the whole developer experience and the tooling around that, and unpacking the value that majority of customers, particularly ISVs, don't realize that they have internally.
Yeah, like ISVs as an independent software vendors, right? For
exactly.
Some people not familiar with the term. And you hit high six-digit annual revenue as like a rather boutique company already in 2020.
Yeah.
Closed a large deal in 2021. Could you tell us a bit more about the deal? You don't need to mention customer name. How large was the deal, and what did it mean for your growth?
Since we've been working with you guys for almost 2 years now, that also helped us to get a different kind of skill set and kind of perspective in the company, because we weren't, business development or software or sales kind of focused people. We're, like I said, software focused people, and that allowed us to really look at our existing relationships with our partners and everything, and then expand out from that. And that meant us going from our 6 kind of figure revenue model last year to now hopefully this recently, like I mentioned, this 372k.
370k. That's like large if you've been at still high 6-figure revenue and you're now close to 370k. What does it mean for your annual revenue growth?
Hopefully we reach our 7-digit this year, and we only scale by 2 extra people. In that case, so we've even become now more efficient in even operating and delivering within a smaller team. But at the same time, it was with a big infrastructure provider, and we couldn't have done it without our partners and helping us there, because us as this kind of a small dot in the ocean, we need to be impactful. And I think the services that you guys were providing to us and how we managed to align our sales channel, the communication, our messaging, and everything, this is just all lined up so that we have really kind of professional portfolio and offering to our customers.
Nice. Thanks so much for sharing these insights. And maybe in one of those where, like, who could you recommend working with SalesPlaybook? Like, who's really a great fit that we should talk to?
I think certainly SaaS companies. I think kind of between SaaS and consulting companies. So like ISVs, going to SaaS in a sense. Particularly those companies who are, desktop kind of software builders.
So basically people that try to go from project-based services to product-based subscriptions or recurring revenue.
Yeah, and I think that's also because you guys have also built your own kind of SaaS platform in a sense. So you're kind of dogfooding in a sense. And I think that brings a special type of value to it, because it means that you have the hands-on, meat on the bone kind of experience.
Yeah. Cool. Any last thing you'd like to share with watching this video?
No, thanks very much. I mean, it's also been super accessible working with you guys with the COVID and everything. It's super, thanks for the patience there and everything. I think that's been great, and looking forward to another year of SalesPlaybook together.
Likewise. Thanks so much.